Greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. If your computer is running slow, this video is going to help you a lot. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps which would make your PC run faster. So the first step is to press Windows plus R key. Then type clean mgr. Then press OK. Again press OK. In here, under Files to delete, select the folders you want to delete. Click the folder. Then press OK. And delete everything. That's it. For the second step, again press Windows plus R key and type temp. Then press OK. Then select any folder and press Ctrl plus A. Then all the files will be selected. After that, press Shift plus Delete. Then it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. So for the third step, again press Windows plus R key and type %temp %. Then press OK. So just like in the second step, select any folder and press Ctrl plus A. Then press Shift plus Delete and permanently delete the files. For the final step, again press Windows plus R key and type inet cpl.cpl. Then press OK. Then go to Connections and press LAN Settings. Then put a tick to automatically detect settings and press OK. And that's it. Follow these steps to make your PC run faster. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos like this. Peace.